Hi there everyone. Have you ever been on Facebook and wondered how these guys create these great 360 pictures that you can just scroll around through? Well, today we're just going to take a look at it. It's actually quite simple. I use it with my drones. So what I do with my drones, I take a 360 sphere picture, and you end up sometimes with some anomalies in the sky because obviously the exposure can't be exactly the same, but for the most part the stitching is done incredibly well within the drone itself. But you can do it in Lightroom or any other application where you can stitch the pictures together. But what you would do is you would essentially end up with a file that looks like this, and you'll see that there's a bit of an anomaly, but this is a bad example. But in this case you can see that this 360 stitching didn't do a fantastic job at the sky because the color is not looking good, but you can maybe fix that in post. But for the most part the picture is really good, but this is not something you can really use. How can we make this go into this? I mean, if I click on it, it's actually quite nice. The quality is quite decent depending on your internet speed. So over here you can see a great scenario where we can just look around and see what happened over here with the drone taking, I think, 32 pictures and then stitching it together. So what do you do to make this happen? So all you need to do is go to your file, your actual file that you've got, so the stitched file, and once you do it, you go to properties, and once you're at the property section, you'll go to the detail section and you'll scroll down to the camera maker section. Now the camera maker section is not going to be very useful because it tells you what camera it is, but the 360 picture needs something else. This is just a quick shortcut way of how to do it. Now what you need to do is, I've already copied and pasted this, but you can just essentially replace the camera maker, and you'll make it, just close this at the bottom, and you'll make it just RICOH, and the camera model you're going to make RICOH, all capitals, THETA S. Once you're done with that, you can just click apply, click OK, and then you can just open Facebook. Now once you've opened Facebook, let me just close this over here again, you just scroll up to your photo and you can then select the picture that you want. In this case, let me just quickly select this picture over here, and when I start uploading it, you're going to see automatically that little icon is going to be there. Now once you've got that little icon, you already know that your 360 picture will be uploaded, and Bob is your uncle, you've just uploaded a 360 picture to Facebook. I hope this helped you guys. Please enjoy. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.